under my Actions tab, if I start with autoresponder, you'll notice that I have a couple of them already sitting here. And I want to take you through what this is, but I think that to start with, I'll just add a third autoresponder to this web form. So I click my Add Action tab right here on the right, and notice that I have autoresponder showing there, and I simply click that. And that will insert my new autoresponder right here. And from this point, I will see a list of all of my saved email templates, and I can pick anything that I want. I'll just select, say, training classes, and then I can put in something simple just to make life easy. I'll just copy this down, but this will define the email subject that will be seen by the person receiving the email and from whom it should come. I'll make this one come from me. And I'll use my simple email address. And let's see, I've got one that's being sent at 0 hours. So that means that upon submission of this form, this email, this newsletter demo email, will be triggered right back to that person. Think of, here's an example. I'll put this into an example term. This would be such as if you have a white paper download option on a website and you want to have a simple little form right there that says click here to download our white paper, and then when someone clicks that, you could prompt them to put in some basic information, and when they click submit, then you would have the autoresponder set to immediately email them the white paper. And you could take this a step further with what you're seeing on my screen and develop a simple nurture plan. And you might want to have this actually change this to 7 days. And then I'll change my new one to 14 days like this. So they'll get an immediate email with this particular template. Then 7 days later, they'll get my second one, and then 14 days later, they'll get my third one. Okay, and so that's how I set that up. And you can do things like this with workflow, but I think for the average marketer, that can become quite complex over time with all the if and then and conditions and triggering and so forth. What we are trying to do with our product, you're going to see us over the next, during the rest of this year, just continue differentiating ourselves from other solutions on the market by having very simple ways to achieve items. And we're going to go for the 80-20